Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable sound effects and the sound on the GPS Tracks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on General. Scroll down until you find the sound option, which will enable sound for taps and other interactions. So all you have to do is tapping on this button in the right side, and then it will be enabled automatically. If you want to turn it off, just come back to this section and tap on the same button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.